Give me that fucking camera. Asshole, it's mine. Give me this. Dad? Dad?
What the? The hell? Oh shit.
I worked hard for this shit. I'm not moving.
Holy shit.
I'm not moving.
Look at Tenement Square over here. Ah, fuck.
It's all electricity. I built this from the ground up. Here, Dad, you have a job. You do it. Yeah, I make videos for a living.
Oh my god.
You don't have anything but a kid. So that's because of you. You don't let me live there. I gotta put you out.
Oh shit.
Dad, stop! Stop! People! Dad, come on! Stop! Claudia, can we talk about this? I'm sorry about the trophy! We should have thought about this before you went ahead. This isn't fair, Dad!
Shit.
Dad, come on!
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Dad,
Holy shit. Oh my god. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Now you got a mobile home. You can leave now. I fucking hate you! Stop filming! Where's the Xbox? Dad? Dad?
Holy shit. There's the controller. Wait a minute. Was my fucking laptop in there?
Yeah! You didn't know that?
Are you fucking kidding me? You broke my fucking laptop again?
Get the fuck out of here, dude!
Jesus fucking Christ.
You knew this was gonna happen! That's why you're filming! You're always filming! Fucking
Jesus Christ, dude.
Jesus Christ, dude! Oh, like you never got angry before? Dude, you don't even understand! I worked hard!
Dude,
That was
fucking.
Eagle's Landing! I made the most of it! Can you not? Just go fucking just get out! Did you tell him?
No, I didn't tell him.
Come out here?
No. Jesus.
I bought a brand new. Will you get that fucking camera out? Fucking give me that stick. Do you seriously
It's
want me to
okay.
fucking punch you in the face right now?
You're okay. You're okay. You weren't in the
You were
tent.
lucky you're bigger than me. Seriously, stop fucking filming me.
I turned it off. It's off, it's off.
Bullshit. You're bullshit. Great, fucking Nature Valley bar. Lovely. What the hell is that?
It's nothing.
Oh, it's nothing, huh? You just happen to have a camera on a tripod because you knew this would happen.
I mean,
Oh yeah, it's recording. Oh, Jeffrey. You know, I'm taking this fucking footage. I'm taking it off. Well, fine.
that's what I have to do.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, upload that to my channel too. Yeah, we know that's gonna happen. You're not gonna get any subscribers, fucker.